Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Crime Branch to relieve Mickky Pacheco from Nadia Torrado death case. Sources confirm Crime Branch likely to file closure report. No development from BJP for Panji in last 20 years, says Surendra Furtado. Congress releases 56 points manifesto. Candlelight rally on 6th February. Anjana's St. Michael Church vandalized, 15 vehicles damaged, school buses damaged, police arrest suspect, sources say accused mentally ill. Government plans to amend TCP regulation, additional 20% FAR for 4 and 5-star hotels and educational institutions. Kanyadan to be renamed as Vidya Lakshmi. And second edition of Goa Tower Run on Sunday at Pato Plaza. Stair climbing sports promotes health events in individual and team categories. And now the news in detail. Crime Branch is about to give clean sheet to Rural Development Minister Mickky Pacheco in Nadia Torrado mysterious death case. According to sources, Crime Branch is likely to file closure report in this case. Nadia Torrado had died in May 2010 in mysterious circumstances. Nadia Torrado was known to Mickky and had met Mickky just 2 days before she consumed poison. Mickky is likely to get relief in Nadia death case very soon. Prudent has learned from reliable sources that Crime Branch has completed the investigation of Nadia Torrado's mysterious death case. After 5 years of investigation, Crime Branch has now concluded that Mickky Pacheco had no role in death of his then girlfriend Nadia Torrado. Crime Branch is now preparing closure report to file before the court. An officer of Crime Branch on condition of anonymity informed to Prudent that according to the investigation so far, Nadia Torrado consumed poison by mistake. The Crime Branch officer also mentioned that Crime Branch is relying upon the dying declaration of Nadia Torrado in which she had said that she misunderstood the poison as toothpaste. While giving clean sheet to Mickky, Crime Branch feels that his name was dragged in the case due to political rivalry. Nadia Torrado had died on 30th May 2010 in mysterious circumstances in Chennai. Mickky was absconding for some time, but on 8th July 2010, Crime Branch had arrested Mickky in this case. Later, the Supreme Court had granted him bail. Nadia Torrado was girlfriend of Mickky and had met Mickky just 2 days before she consumed poison.
Though Crime Branch has now concluded that Nadia died due to her own mistake, but in its closure report, Crime Branch has to give logical reply that how 11 injury marks were found on Nadia's body in the postmortem. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Last 20 years, BJP has done nothing for Panji. This charge comes from Congress candidate for Panji Bypol, Surendra Furtado. Congress released 56-point election manifesto for Panji Bypol on Thursday. Congress has planned to start campaigning with silent candlelight march from 6th February at Azad Maidan.
Congress released its manifesto for Panji Bypol on Thursday. Congress candidate Surendra Furtado, GPCC Chief Luisin Falero, AICC Secretary Dr. Chela Kumar, Opposition Leader Pratap Singh Rane, MLA Digambar Kamath, MLA Alex Reginaldo and others were present. Furtado assured that in the next 180 days, major problems like parking, garbage problem, market expansion will be addressed. However, the manifesto is silent on floating casinos.
I don't want to make a fool of myself by putting here and not removing it. It's better that I remove it without putting. There'll be more prestige.
Have you made a U-turn even before you started off?
Not necessary. It's not U-turn. I will work hard to ensure that
all the casinos which are polluting the river Mandovi are removed from the river Mandovi and gone offshore, because that is the condition on which these casinos were given. So my promise as a PCC president stands for whoever is contesting on Congress ticket. We are not going to go with a big campaign, but we are going to come out with a silent candle march starting from Azad Maidan from 6 of February across Panjim.
He has deprived the people of Panjim, who are his voters, who have voted him for the last 20 years. I am appealing to the people of Panjim. Give me one chance. If I don't deliver in 2.5 years, don't vote me back in 2017.
Dr. Chela Kumar says Babush will realize his mistake and will back Congress in by-poll.
People got elected on the Congress ticket, saying that Congress principle and ideology and Congress achievements. If anybody is going against that, it is naturally cheating the public, common man, their voters, their own voters. So people of Goa and voters will definitely, they will understand. We have to give a time for them also to correct their own mistakes. I hope they will correct their own mistakes.
So have you given him time? No.
No, I am very confident that he will correct his own mistakes.
But any notice has been served to him?
No, we know how to tackle this. He will be here. He will come back.
Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
St. Michael Church was vandalized and 15 vehicles were found damaged on Thursday morning at Anjuna. Locals claim that some miscreant did this act on Wednesday night. A school in the vicinity was also damaged. Anjuna police has arrested Nirdosh Kandolkar in this connection. Sources say he is mentally ill.
The incident occurred during wee hours on Thursday. Have a look. The St. Michael Church property was found vandalized. Similarly, more than 15 cars, including 2 Balrats, were found in damaged state. Locals have now raised question on police patrolling at night.
आवाज झाला म्हणून बाहेर सरला खूप एकच आवाज झाला बाहेर सरल्यावर कोणच ना गाडी होते असले एकट्याची कोणाची तो तेवट्यान गेलो आणि परत तो तेवट्यान वचून तेवट्यान घडा जाता ते आवाज येतालो म्हाका म्हणून हांव वचूंक ना एकटोच आसलो ना वयसो लागलो म्हाका हांव तो वचून तेवट्यानसून एक 15-20 मिनटांनी सुमार परत येयलो आनी असो गेलो हेवटेन.
Okay, this you can see the damage on this casket which is here for Paragnel statue. In the morning the parishioners when they had come for mass, they had a look over here and they found that this was totally damaged. Question arises is where is the patrolling, police patrolling? Because as per the news what is in the air, there was some temple which is also bugled a few days back. So keeping in mind all these issues, the police patrolling has to be done, which is not there.
But actually कस्टमराची गाडी आणि कामाक हाडलेली गाडी. सो राती सगळे म्हाका दिसता कितले जाण जाले म्हाका खबर ना, पण कोणे तरी फातर म्हणून हाडचे पडलेले. सो म्हाका दिसता मागीर सकाळी पुलिसीन कंप्लेन केल्या. अशें म्हाका दिसता लँडीन जवळ जवळ म्हाका 10-12 गाडयेचे हाडचे पडले.
Nearby school, Asagaon Union High School, was also damaged.
Our Balrat has also been damaged, classes have been damaged, and there are some blood stains also there. And even our primary has been damaged.
Anjuna police is investigating the case. Police has arrested Nirdosh Kandolkar, aged 27, from Anjuna in this connection. Sources claim that Nirdosh is mentally ill. Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.